New Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Car Wash. Dirt repelling technology. Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. This is video number 3 today. So we're going to be talking about this stuff. So I'm going to jump right into it. I have down here, down below, we have my foam cannon and a bucket, and I'm going to be talking to y'all about this stuff and how I like it. On this paint, excuse me, on this paint over here, we have nothing, no protection, but I'm going to do per the instructions over here, and we have a bucket full of water, and then we have our foam cannon over here. So on the instructions, all right, here we go really quick. Ceramic coating technology creates a hydrophobic invisible protective barrier on your vehicle's surface. pH balance high foaming formula helps remove dirt and grime from vehicle surface without scratching. Works in a foam cannon. Okay, great. Rinse car to remove loose dirt. Pour 2 ounces of wash concentrate into mix with water. Doesn't tell you how much, just kind of, I guess you're going to be guessing. Gently agitate foam on the vehicle surface to set the ceramic technology. Ceramic technology. This word ceramic is getting thrown around loosely lately, so just keep that in mind, all right? I'm not buying in on all that so much, so just know that. Next, we're working in 4-foot sections, and then gently agitate foam on the vehicle surface to set it right. Like we said, excuse me, I just read that. Thoroughly rinse each section as you complete. So work in 4-foot sections, rinse, and then dry. So just keep that, all right, in there. Add 6 to 8 ounces of concentrate to a 32-ounce foam cannon. Holy cow, that's a lot of foam. All right, fill the rest of the tank with water. Shake the mix, rinse the car, remove loose dirt. Using foam cannons, spray the vehicle from top to bottom. Work in 4-foot sections. Dry with the terry cloth. Okay, so like it said put, where were we at? 2 ounces. So this is a 2-ounce cup right here, boom, there. And we're gonna do it. So haven't opened this, got it at AutoZone today. I think 13, so we're at $13.99 for 50 ounces, 1.56 quarts, all right? So let's see what this stuff's about. Hype or not, I don't know. This is me just reviewing, trying to shed some light on it. By the way, Energizer does own Armor All, and there's a lot of siloxane, 3 different, and then propylene glycol, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind, all right? So here we go. We're gonna be cutting 2 ounces in here. I'm not trying to be long-winded. So there's 2 ounces in that bucket. As you can see, there it is, all right? We'll see if it does it. All right, we're gonna put 6 ounces in here. So we're at 2. 4. 6, okay? There, done. 6 ounces, all right? Follow the instructions, put this to the side, that's right there. Hopefully y'all got a good view. Hopefully y'all can see that. So sorry it was out of view, but there were 6 right there. So I'm one man showing this today. So I'm gonna back this up. We're gonna put this right over here so y'all can see a little bit better. I'm gonna mix this up. We're gonna do it by hand, then we're gonna do it by foam, rinse, and watch, okay? So I'm gonna move everything back just a little bit so we can see it, all right? And this is the panel we're working on. Okay, so moving this stuff off to the side. Here we go, we got the bucket, got our foam cannon over here, and then we'll wash accordingly, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do half this panel with the bucket, then the other half I'm going to do with the foam cannon. So we have our stuff right here. You're gonna be mixing, let's see it. All right, so it does sud up. I'm very happy to see that. So it does sud, so that is pretty cool. All right, so it does set up very well. So I'm thinking that 6 ounces in that foam cannon is gonna do the trick. I was kind of skeptical, but I'm glad to see that. Very glad to see that. Gonna take our Aqualux Detail Supply Ninja wash mitt, and we're gonna do half this vehicle, okay? So when we do half the vehicle, we're just gonna keep in mind that we wanna work left to right, not working more than 2 passes in the same section. So this is an unprotected part of the truck right here. Okay, so 1, flip it over, why not? We got plenty of lubrication. And it said let it set in and then rinse off, okay? So there's 1, all right? We're gonna save that other foam cannon for the other thing. And we're just gonna do a rinse off with no power, okay? I just wanna kind of watch how this works, okay? Make sure that we got it applied correctly. All right, so there we go. It's sat. It is raining, so I'm not fighting that. So as you can tell, it does have some type of protection it's leaving behind. It's almost, it reminds me of 303 spray and rinse stuff, just in a foam form. So I'm not complaining right now. So maybe a little flat in that area, so it's not everywhere. So I'm just gonna take it as it goes right there. All right, so let's see how it does in a foam cannon. All right, we're probably gonna get the other side, but I wanted y'all to see that first. So all right, here we go. So we got the ceramic soap, and I'm gonna stay back here and I'm gonna turn the power washer on. So here we go. I'm gonna take the nozzle out, turn our cat pressure washer on. So it's a cat pressure washer, by the way, that I'm running, MV925, and we're running an MATCC, something like that, Yamatech, something like that, foam cannon with a 1.1 millimeter foam cannon. So hopefully y'all are having a great week, and here we go. Okay, so I think it's thick enough. Yep, 6 ounces is too much. You're not gonna need 6 ounces when you put this in a foam cannon, by the way. Just to let y'all know. In case you can see that from there, that is way too much in my opinion. So we'll let it sit there and I'll massage it in and then dry it off. And then we'll rinse and then dry because it stopped raining. So hopefully I'll get to dry it. All right, so we're gonna take our clean side of our wash mitt and just go over this half. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna rinse. So we already did that half. All right. Way too much soap. It's way too much. I feel like I'm being really wasteful, but it is fun, right? It's fun. You can definitely tell it's kind of it has some good lubrication, but you know, nothing crazy. All right, but good lubrication. I'm happy to see that. So, not exactly bad for pH neutral ceramic soap. So, Armor All, good job so far. All right, here we go. We're gonna rinse. All right, once we get it off this paint, I'm gonna dry it. Hopefully the audio is not too bad. I'm hoping it doesn't pick up the power washer and all these loud noises. I've been very happy with the quality of this audio by Rode. I think that's how you say it. So we're gonna take, yep, self-promoting, here we go. I'm taking our Slurpee. I actually love Stell, and a lot of other people do too. So Slurpee, here we go. Good demonstration of it. All right, so it is spitting rain. Paint feels clean. It's not like slick, but it's smooth, so that's kind of nice. That is nice to feel. So it's leaving something. I mean, we can always say it's leaving something, so I'm gonna dry it one more time from this area, just because the rain's coming down. Let's watch, see what it does. And I'll bring y'all in really close if I can, and hold the camera steady while I do this, so I want y'all to see this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, picking y'all up. Sorry for the bump. Here we go. I'm gonna rinse. 3, 2, and 1. So it's leaving something, okay? It's not super crazy, but I mean, it's leaving something, all right? So overall, not bad, 13 bucks. So let me know what y'all think if you've tried it. Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Car Wash, not bad, but 13 bucks, can't complain. You don't need 6 ounces in a foam cannon, that's for sure. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will catch y'all later. Love y'all. God bless. Bye.